Well, hello there. I'm Tater, and I got something special today. If you can tell by the title of this video, here in this box is a KP15 and lower receiver by KE Arms. What is that? Well, it's an all-polymer lower receiver for an AR-15, which is the lower half of the AR-15 that houses the trigger group and all the other stuff. Anyways, let's open up this box, shall we? And you can see we got our KP15 lower, completely stripped. Oh my. Despite being made of plastic, it is rather tough and durable. Heck, it can survive being run over by a truck. Now you may be asking, Tater, why did you get an all-polymer lower? I got it for two reasons. One, weight. A polymer lower is going to be lighter than a traditional aluminum lower. Thus, if you're going to build the lightest AR-15, you're going to go with a polymer lower. It is built specifically for that purpose, for aim ranges what was stoner do carbine after all. The second reason is cost. This stripped lower costs around $100 to $120. However, it already has a stock trigger guard and hand grip built into the receiver. On top of that, it has features that are normally found on higher-end ARs, like this flare magwell and sling attachment points. I even spent a little extra for this trapdoor plate to sneak my M&Ms whenever I go back to the theaters. Compare this to the PSA stripped lower, which is around $70, but doesn't come with a pistol grip, buffer tube, and stock, and is rather basic. And as mentioned, the KP15 lower is pretty durable and can be abused, like your mom. That being said, there are reasons why one wouldn't want a KP15 lower when building their AR. For starters, you can't change the stock or grip. This is because the integrity of the lower requires the grip and stock to be constructed together with the lower. This prevents customization of the stock and grip. Now, I have no problem with the grip. I think it's an excellent grip, and I do prefer the solid stock over the collapsible stock on most ARs. However, if you have an issue with the length of pull, or you're trying to build a more compact rifle that requires a collapsible or breakdown style stock, well, this may not be the lower for you. Speaking of customization, because of the nature of polymer, you don't want to do too much Dremel work. One wrong cut and you can screw with the integrity of the rifle. This also means that you are going to be limited on the triggers that you're going to be able to use. However, it does fit standard mil-spec components. I do recommend checking the instructions on the site, as well as what comes in the book, to see what components are and aren't compatible with the lower. Overall though, this is a well-crafted product and I'm excited to build a rifle from it. I'll be making more content related to the KP15, so please stay tuned. If you would like to watch more, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Odyssey and Utreon in case Susan decides to crack down on me. And if you want, follow me on Twitter and Facebook, where I give updates and sometimes shit posts on cancerous posts. Alright, well, I'll see you later. Goodbye.